सर आइए फोटो करना ना। हाँ चलेगा चलेगा। सामने देखिए यहाँ सेंटर।
सिक्योरिटी
दादा
थोड़ा पार्टी है ना यार जरा से।
वरुण इलियाना
वरुण समोर
एक्सक्यूज मी यो
आज दाब मत ना यार। कितना लोग है बस का।
थैंक यू अबे अंदर भी लेना भाई अंदर।
वरुण यहाँ पे एक फोटो करते हैं ना। यहाँ पे एक अच्छा है।
क्या कर रहे?
And quality conversation. But at CCD, the fun never stops. We have with us two of the leading stars from the much-awaited romantic comedy Main Tera Hero, the dashing Varun Dhawan and the beautiful Ileana D'Cruz. Round of applause. Welcome. Thank you so much. We have some interesting questions for Varun and Ileana to field. So let's get started. Tell us something about the movie and your characters in the movie.
I play a character called Srinath Prasad, short form Sinu. One line actually explains it very nicely, which is in the trailer as well. कि मैं दिखता हूँ sweet innocent Swami type का, लेकिन actually बहुत बड़ा Rami type का. So I think Sinu gets explained that way. But in real life, मैं दिखता हूँ sweet innocent Swami type का, और who भी sweet innocent Swami type का.
Good answer.
What can I say about Selena? Selena is she's very shy and very reserved, and she comes across the sweet innocent boy who's actually a Rami, and he takes her on this crazy ride that basically tells you what the rest of the story is. So it's all about Sinu's journey.
How he gets screwed in love.
How he gets screwed in love, and how she gets caught up in all that. So it's a madcap roller coaster of lots of fun scenes and lots of really lovely actors as well. We're missing Nargis here, but she told me to send you all her love.
Of course. That's a very intriguing character sketch. But on that note, is there anything from the characters that resembles your in real life?
Have you ever screwed anyone in love? Sorry, that came out very wrong. sorry. Has anyone got screwed in love because of you?
Has anyone
Broken any hearts, basically.
Not intentionally.
What I know about Ileana is that when she was in college in Goa, she had this group.
Nobody ever asked me out in college, please.
There were these 3 girls, and they were like Charlie's Angels.
Yes, we were very close friends. If they're watching this, Kimberly, Biam, and me are still very good friends, and we were called Charlie's Angels in school. And no one came to me. Actually, you know what? They got asked out, but I never got asked out.
What?
Nobody ever asked me out. I wasn't pretty in college.
I don't think anyone.
I put
did.
makeup on now, so I look prettier. Yes. Oh.
There we have some hero beverages from the CCD.
I've heard, that CCD has launched some hero beverages.
Yeah, so which would you prefer the most, the favorite of yours?
Because it's summer and stuff like that, so I think something colorful, something blue, like a cooler. I've heard you look at the cooler. So,
What about you?
Well, I like being a little hutke, so maybe Devil's Own.
Okay. Very interesting.
so but usually when I do come to Cafe Coffee Day, I always have the frappe over here. When I was in, I remember when I was in college, because there's one next to my house, I would get the one with ice cream and stuff like that.
That is a very popular choice.
That is a very popular choice. But I think because it's summer and we all need to keep ourselves cool, I think you should get the cooler and then head and watch Main Tera Hero after that.
This question is particularly for Varun. What do you think is the most heroic thing you did in the movie?
What is the most heroic thing I've done in the movie? I think when we were shooting in Bangkok, there's this action bike sequence. I'm on a bike and I get dragged at like 80 kilometers per hour and stuff. And it's actually rigged, but I'm actually getting dragged at that time. And it was really, really hot. So I think that was, first time I'm attempting action as well. So that was difficult for me to do.
And tell us, how would you impress your co-star, Ileana?
Right now, are you in the mood for a coffee?
Yeah.
She always is actually.
I'm always in the mood for
So I
coffee.
think I'll get you. What do you want? Devil's Own?
Well, yeah, actually, you know what? We
Yeah?
should try that out.
Come.
Definitely.
That is her favorite after all.
Yeah?
Yes.
So I'll go get that for you. Yeah? Why not?
Should I come with you?
No, you wait, you sit down. Aram se, you sit. Enjoy the
I'd like to
AC.
help you out.
Huh? Soldier?
I can help you out.
Get back for them.
Yeah, I'll take her with you. This is Devil's Zone, which Ileana the Cruz wants. This is the Texan cooler. It's actually the cooler, but I'm going to call it the Texan cooler.
Get some more tissues now. Some more tissues left.
Being chivalrous, anytime I get a public platform, I always like to say this, that being chivalrous is nothing great. You're not doing a great thing. It's a very normal thing to do. And it's just actually being courteous to a fellow human being. And yeah, it's just how you treat, if you're nice, like you should anyway like hold the door if there's an old person or there's someone there. You should anyway, like if a girl is there, anyway be more courteous and helpful, because that's the way you would be to a sister or a mother. So I mean, anyway you should behave like that. So I think that's the way people should behave.
Those are really nice thoughts. And on that note, could we have a photo session with the CCD team? With
Yeah, please. CCTV team footage. Nothing. I've learned today. You didn't see Tarak Mehta?
पास करना पड़ेगा अभी भी ऐसे
गलत बात क्यों है? बिल नहीं दिया, दिल दिया। ओ तो ये ध्वनि देगी, 21 साल की लड़की है। इसका नाम ध्वनि है, पर हम लोग उसको धोनी बुलाते हैं।
और क्लोज में आओ थोड़ा, सब लोग खुश रहना। चिपको मम्मी और थोड़ा एकदम। कॉफी हाथ में ले लो प्लीज। दादा कौन है फ्लैश प्लीज थोड़ा नीचे करना। सचिन से बाजू कौन है?
Now we want to brief. There was a contest to celebrate the association of Main Tera Hero and Cafe Coffee Day, and that contest, patrons of CCD were called upon to sample the special drinks that Varun had handpicked from the menu, and these special drinks.
अरे पीछे जाइए थोड़ा, पीछे फ्रेम में नहीं आएंगे ना। Look your right. नहीं ये लोग next दिखा दो। अरे कड़क तो सपनों में आना ही पड़ेगा। आज ये सब सपनों में आई। अरे वाटी ये वाटी
स्पेशल बालाजी रिंग्स और ये सब जो बालाजी के टीवी सीरियल्स है ये रिंग उसमें यूज हुआ है और जैसे पवित्र रिश्ता और जोधा अकबर उधर के मतलब उसमें उस सदी के कैरेट इस उस सदी का ज्वेलरी है उस वक्त किसी को मिला नहीं था हम लोग इस सदी में शी इज द सेकंड विनर थैंक यू आप लोग शादी करा रहे हो
मैडम चिल्लाओ जरा
इलाना यू वांट टू गिव वन रिंग
One ring to Ilana, please.
इलियाना को तो पहले ही
Thank you.